Hi, in this video I'm going to show how to make an analog input and output on LED bulb and serial monitor using Arduino starter kit. This project explains how to take digital analog input to Arduino. This input is shown through LED bulb and serial monitor. For making this project we need Arduino Uno and breadboard, which is fixed on Arduino base plate, battery holder with 6 AA battery and switch, LED bulb, 100 ohm resistor, 5 male to male jumper wire, preset 10K, USB A to B cable for Arduino Uno. Plot this diagram for connection. Next, connect Arduino and laptop or the system you are using with USB cable and upload the code. Now let's see how it works. When you switch on the power supply and rotate preset 10K, the output voltage changes as you can see in the serial monitor. And brightness of the LED bulb also changes. That's it, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates.